Imagine embarking on a journey to Venus, our neighboring planet, just 40 million kilometers away at its closest approach. Venus, the second rock from the Sun, may seem like a stone's throw away, but it's a world that stands in stark contrast to our own. Picture Earth's blue skies and life-giving atmosphere, now replace that with Venus's thick, toxic clouds of sulfuric acid, a crushing pressure and searing heat. This is a place that challenges the very limits of human exploration. Over the years, we've hurled numerous space probes into the Venusian skies, each providing invaluable insights. Yet many have met their end in the planet's extreme environment. Nevertheless, the allure of the unknown calls us, beckoning us to venture onto its surface to experience firsthand the mysteries Venus holds. Despite the challenges, the allure of the unknown calls us to venture onto its surface. As you descend into Venus's atmosphere, you encounter layers of thick clouds and haze, masking the surface below. Venturing deeper, you find yourself immersed in a sea of sulfuric acid clouds, a hallmark of Venus's unique atmosphere. It's an environment unlike anything on Earth. This dense cover, composed primarily of carbon dioxide, with a pinch of nitrogen and traces of sulfur dioxide, is about 90 times thicker than Earth's atmosphere, creating a pressure at the surface equivalent to being 1 kilometer underwater on Earth. The carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere traps the sun's heat, giving rise to a greenhouse effect on overdrive, causing temperatures to soar to an average of 867 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. This extreme heat is uniform across Venus, with little variation between day and night or between the equator and the poles. The constant scorching temperatures make Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. Visibility here is practically non-existent, as the dense clouds and haze scatter sunlight, creating a perpetual twilight that shrouds the surface in mystery. Even the most powerful telescopes struggle to penetrate the veil of Venus's atmosphere, making direct observation of the surface impossible from afar. But it's not all silent in this thick atmosphere. High up, about 45 to 70 kilometers above the surface, the winds whip around at speeds up to 200 kilometers per hour in a phenomenon known as superrotation, where the atmosphere spins much faster than the planet itself. As you plunge further, the atmospheric pressure mounts and the heat intensifies. The sulfuric acid clouds give way to clear gas, but don't be deceived. This is no relief, as the clear gas is mainly carbon dioxide, a potent greenhouse gas that further amplifies the heat. Beneath the clouds lies an alien landscape waiting to be explored. This descent through Venus's atmosphere is only the beginning. Ahead lies the real challenge, exploring the hostile surface of our hellish neighbour. Stepping onto the surface of Venus, you find yourself in a harsh, barren landscape. The terrain underfoot is rugged and uneven, a testament to the volatile geological activity that has shaped this world. Mountains that dwarf Everest in size stretch towards the haze-shrouded sky, their peaks etched with the scars of ancient volcanic eruptions. Rivers of hardened lava snake across the surface, a reminder of the fiery inferno that once flowed freely here. Peering around, the alien terrain presents a spectacle of volcanic craters, some as wide as a city, their rims worn down by eons of relentless wind and heat. It's a stark reminder of Venus's tumultuous past and the intense volcanic activity that continues to mold its surface. However, this hostile environment doesn't deter you. Clad in state-of-the-art protective gear, you press on. Your suit, a marvel of engineering, shields you from the unimaginable heat and pressure that would otherwise crush you in an instant. It's your personal fortress, allowing you to traverse the inhospitable landscape and conduct your exploration. You march on, the crunch of your boots against the rocky terrain the only sound in this silent world. Your footsteps, the first of their kind, leave a lasting imprint on the surface, a testament to humanity's quest for knowledge and exploration. As you venture further, the eerie beauty of Venus begins to unfold. The perpetual haze that shrouds the sky casts an otherworldly glow over the landscape. It's surreal, captivating, a sight that would leave even the most seasoned explorers in awe. The desolate terrain, illuminated by the dim sunlight filtering through the dense atmosphere, presents a spectacle of stark beauty, a beauty born of chaos and destruction. Despite the extreme conditions and the constant danger, There's an undeniable allure to this alien world. It's a place of stark contrasts where beauty and danger coexist, a testament to the relentless forces of nature and their capacity to shape worlds. The surreal beauty of Venus captivates you, even amidst the extreme conditions. As you stand on the surface of this unforgiving world, you can't help but marvel at the resilience of life, the determination to explore, and the boundless curiosity that has led you here. Suddenly, disaster strikes. Your protective suit fails, exposing you to the full force of Venus's hostile environment. The very fabric of your lifeline, designed to shield you from the extreme conditions, gives way, and for a moment you're a mere mortal, bare and vulnerable against the might of an alien world. You feel the searing heat first, a wave of scorching air that wraps around you like a fiery blanket. It's unlike anything you've ever experienced, far beyond the hottest desert on Earth. The air burns with a ferocity that's hard to comprehend, the temperature soaring beyond 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Then comes the pressure. It's crushing, bearing down on you from every direction. It's as if you've plunged into the deepest ocean trench, only there's no water here, just a dense atmosphere of carbon dioxide. The pressure is a relentless onslaught, a constant reminder of the hostile world you've dared to tread. The air is thick and heavy, making each breath a laborious task. Inhaling the superheated air is like breathing fire, a searing pain that scorches your lungs and throat. The environment is so hostile, so alien, that it's almost incomprehensible. With a surge of adrenaline, you force your legs to move, each step a monumental effort. The surface beneath your feet feels unstable, the ground shifting and cracking under the intense heat and pressure. It's a race against time, a desperate struggle for survival on a planet that seems hell-bent on destroying you. Your spacecraft is your lifeline, the only sanctuary in this hellish landscape, but it feels a world away, each meter you cover seeming to stretch into a mile. The pressure is mounting, the heat intensifying, and with every passing second, your consciousness threatens to slip away, but you press on, driven by the instinct to survive. You fight against the overwhelming conditions, the unyielding heat, the crushing pressure, the suffocating atmosphere. It's a battle of will, a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration. Every second feels like an eternity as you fight to stay conscious amidst the overwhelming conditions. The struggle is intense, the conditions unforgiving, but you press on, determined to survive against all odds. Back in the safety of your spacecraft, you reflect on the harrowing experience of exploring Venus's surface. From the sulfuric acid clouds that shroud the planet to the scorching heat and crushing pressure, Venus is a world that feels more like a nightmare than a neighbor. Yet, despite the severe conditions, your mission was not in vain. The insights gained from this venture will prove invaluable in our understanding of the universe. The surface of Venus, marked by its rugged mountains, volcanic peaks, and extensive lava flows, is unlike anything we've ever encountered. The sheer hostility of the environment challenges our technological limits, pushing us to develop more advanced and resilient exploration equipment. Venturing into the depths of Venus's atmosphere, we've witnessed firsthand the devastating effects of a runaway greenhouse effect. The thick, toxic air traps heat, creating an environment hotter than the surface of Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. This serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on our own blue planet. The idea of terraforming Venus, transforming it into a second Earth, is tantalizing. But the reality of the planet's extreme conditions makes this seem more like a distant dream than a feasible goal. However, it's worth remembering that the realm of space exploration is filled with many such dreams that have been turned into reality. The future of space exploration holds immense possibilities. As we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities, who knows what we might discover? Perhaps one day, we will find a way to conquer the harsh environment of Venus and transform it into a world where humans can thrive. But for now, Venus serves as a sobering reminder of the challenges that await us beyond the confines of Earth. It's a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of humanity as we dare to explore the mysteries of the cosmos, one planet at a time. Perhaps one day humans will conquer the challenges of Venus and unlock its secrets. Stay tuned for more exciting journeys into the universe.